as if we didn't just spend a long, hot day at the Epcot Festival, we are now going to Magic Kingdom. We just had a power nap. My sister has never seen Happily Ever After, so we are taking her. We are getting on the monorail. It is 7:30 p.m. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that they were still doing the Starlight Parade, and it's just about to start literally in 1 minute, so we're gonna catch that as well. Say hi to the vlog! Hi, buddy! Hi, baby!
Hi.
Virtual starlight.
The bubble.
And all that is good.
Okay, that parade is so cute. We are gonna go ride the People Mover because we have about an hour until fireworks, and we do not want to just get a spot. We're gonna go do something and then we're gonna come back. Tomorrowland is empty. There is no one over here. On the People Mover, we did girls and boys. Hi, boys. We are going to Haunted Mansion because it's a walk-on, and then we're gonna go to the end of Main Street to watch the fireworks so we can get out easily, because we're trying to make it to Culver's before they close at 11 p.m. 13 minutes, you know what that means.
I am your host, your ghost host.
Hey, buddy. I am more excited for Maddie to experience this than I think she's excited for herself to experience this. Maddie, how was it?
10 out of 10. Amazing.